everyone, this is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I want to go over how you can customize the layout and theme of your KW website. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, log into your KW Command platform and navigate down to your website's applet on the far left side of the menu bar. We're going to go ahead and click there. Now, once that loads, we're going to go ahead and hit this Manage Website button. And once we do that, we're going to be brought into Command where we can make some small surface level edits to our website, one of those being the theme and layout of your site. So we're going to go ahead and head over to our menu bar on the left-hand side again, and we're going to jump into the Design Studio. Now, once we're there, we can come in and we can default our homepage back to the classic standard for KW. Or we can come over here on the right and we can edit the theme of our site. So this is where you can choose from the various colors that are available and which option you like the best. Let's go ahead and switch this to the mint dark for today's class. Let's go ahead and change our font to the one on the far end. And then let's go ahead and make our corners on our website to be kind of this rounded shape. And then we're going to hit save. Now, once you hit save, you can, of course, preview that and take a look at it. It's going to show you what that's going to look like. If you like how that one looks, you can go ahead and hit publish in the top right corner. Now, of course, if you want to take a bigger look at it, once you publish that, you can view it in the browser. That's a great way to really take a look at those colors. As you can see, we have the mint. Our corners are slightly rounded. We have that new font appearing. Same thing for our photos. They also have that slightly rounded corner. And as you go down and through the site, you'll see those color options appearing. Now, you can always come back and edit that theme again. Maybe you want to go to something different. Let's go ahead and change our font. Let's go to the super square, straight corners, and hit save and publish. Now, you can publish this again many times as you'd like. Sorry about that. And then view that in the browser. As you can see, we now have those very straight edges. Our font is changed. We are all the gray and black. Again, photos here also very sharp and all the way throughout. So go ahead and keep playing around with that till you really like what you've got on your website. Definitely take a look at each of the different pages, especially if you have some custom pages. Check those out. Make sure they look great. And then go ahead and publish and leave it as you like it. Okay. That is how you edit the layout or the theme of your website and those colors and fonts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team at support@scottleroymarketing.com. We're here and happy to help. Have a great day.